Hi, this is Doreen with WTI. I wanted to share with you this chocolate powder that I absolutely love. It is this organic fermented cacao powder by MRM Nutrition. I really love this cacao powder because it's fermented. Therefore, it retains all its natural flavonoids and minerals, and it gives it a very clean, smooth taste that is not bitter at all. My favorite way to use this cacao powder is to use it in chocolate milk. I just add a tablespoon or two to my milk, along with some maple syrup, heat it up in the microwave, and voila! I have delicious chocolate milk that is much healthier. Another way I enjoy using this cacao powder is in my grain-free waffles. I just add a tablespoon or so to my batter, and the result is a delicious waffle that has a nice chocolatey flavor. This cacao powder is a healthier way to get your minerals, protein, and vitamins that are present in cocoa powder, which makes it a healthier cacao powder, and that's my point of view.